Come on for this camera. Yeah. Make my thumbnail better. Show them my fault. Okay, so first and first, just arrange it well.
Hello guys.
Okay. This one, they're not really talk now. Make people to watch. Like you can even zoom. You can zoom. A moment. I want to make sure they are perfectly.
Down the block, Michelle.
Put it here, but I want a better position. Okay guys, now this is very, very solid. Finish now. Now when I finish, I can finish. Go from this side. Get it closer. See, get it closer to this.
Highway.
No, that must be 1 and 0.1.
Are you too scared? Touch one missile.
Hey, bro. Okay, guys. Now let me show you guys my plug. I got this off eBay. This is 110. You can get same in AliExpress if you're in Europe or in Africa. The one that is 220. And since I don't have constant light here, I'm using a 1000 watts inverter, 12 with a normal 75 volt battery. And since it's US, it has to go through this very 2000 watt step down. You can see a lot of other hoses that I have here. So this is my plug, which I'm using to actually get this very job done. It's been long, which this very problem has been here, and I've been waiting for this very day so I can be able to address this very problem properly. Now you can see how clean that is, but a lot of you guys who may not like the snake being around, you might need to sand this down a little bit, grind this down, and go ahead and touch it up. But right now it's back as strong as this. Is a very, very good reinforcement, because some of the injuries this very fairing here encountered are the cause of a little bit of accident. So if I don't want to go ahead into changing the color, I can decide to leave it like this. It's way better than how broken it was previously. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.